Hey everyone, this is Gallisonary WX here. I'm not really sure why I'm recording in this orientation, but I guess we're gonna do a video now. Yes, as you saw in the title, we're gonna be testing the fire alarms again. I'm sorry, what the frick? I think you have to press and hold that. Ouch. I didn't put a battery in this one, I just closed it. Oh my gosh, did that one get louder or something? Holy crap. What? Scary alarm, ooh. Pretty sure this one was fire. It was. Really not sure why I paused to get in here, but yeah. As you can see, the siren light, which I still haven't gotten the siren yet, stopped flashing, yeah. And that's it.